quick. I just had a client that was denied from another lender because they was coded as a manual underwrite. I told y'all, anytime you start a mortgage process, some lenders have something that is called a overlay, which means if you don't have a 620, you could possibly be denied. If you don't have a 640, depending on the program that you apply for, you could be denied. And in this case, this client was denied because they was a manual. All lenders don't do manual underwrite. What is a manual underwrite? A manual underwrite is, say hypothetically, you may have 1 or 2 late payments in the past couple months, or you may had a charge off last year, and the system just kind of don't like your file, and it's going to require a little bit more documentations. And what I mean by more documentations is, say for instance, you had a late payment that was 3 or 4 months ago. Underwriter's going to ask you, okay, what caused that late payment and what have you done to get back on track? A lot of lenders, they don't have time for that. It's like, okay, if you're a manual, we can't do it. Well, this client now is approved. I told y'all, some of y'all been told no when you should have been told yes.
Technically, she's right. Manual underwriting is a process that we as lenders use whenever you do not receive a automated approval via the underwriting systems that we use. I wouldn't be who I am if I didn't caution you in that if you were denied via the automated process and we have to go to a manual underwrite, just make sure you're not forcing yourself into a home based upon your wants. And that manual underwrite that you may qualify for is one in which you're getting and you can actually afford the home, not just qualify to get into it, but afford it.